Yul Edochie finally opens up on getting actress Judy Austin pregnant. Hey, my people, the all awaited response to the allegations of getting his colleague actress Judy Austin pregnant from actor Yul Edochie has landed. Please, me no want talk much. Just carry your seat, come inside, grab your popcorn, make we scatter the matter for ground. As say the hot we dey talk about am. The next matter wey we go talk about na about comedian Mr. Jollof wey don come out come criticize comedian Julius Ogu wife after wey she made a post few hours after Sound Sultan's demise. My people, as una dey see the matter, make we dive inside. Before we talk inside the matter, if na the first time this way dey stop for this channel, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you take come across this video. Me na KNG TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. Just enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, no forget to subscribe. So my people, make we dive for the matter. Una sabi say some weeks ago, Yul Edochie be called out by one gossip blogger say, congratulations to the latest parents, Yul Edochie and actress Judy Austin, on their recent birth of their baby. As in, say their baby go fine, say we dey go do online omugo. We can't come out say, but what are they saying on this allegation? They not the year, as in wetin they play. We don't await this response. Me self make video about some weeks ago when it just come out. On a days me go call am. If you never watch the video, please just check among my videos, you go see the video there. So we don't dey wait, say wetin dey play. Like Yul Edochie no go come out come talk, or actress Judy Austin self no go come out come talk. Wetin dey play na true? Because a lot of people come dey feel bad that time. They come dey say, how this kind man fit do this kind thing for your wife and family? How he fit do the kind thing? Say this man, they think say na responsible man he be. Say they think say this man na man of principles. Say people dey disappointed with wetin wey dey happen. Now the man don't come out, say my people, before we chook mouth put, make we read wetin dey talk. Nigerian actor and presidential aspirant Yul Edochie finally broken silence on rumors of his alleged romantic relationship with actress Judy Austin. It was reported that Yul Edochie impregnated Judy Austin and welcomed a child together whilst he was still married to his wife, May Edochie, who he has 4 children with. Reacting to the allegation in a post on his Instagram, Yul Edochie urged his Nigerians to focus on what he has achieved and stay away from his private life. He wrote in quote, "A young man who never relied on his father's name but worked extremely hard to build his own name. A young man who came into Nollywood and took it to greater heights with his outstanding performance. A young man who defied the odds and ran for governor of his state at 35 years. Rejected all forms of bribe to step down by other parties and ran the race till the end. A young man who gave up his political appointment to join the campaign to rescue Nigeria. A young man who has stood for peace, unity and progress in Nigeria and Africa. A young man who constantly assists, fights for the youth and encourages them to believe in themselves and fights for their rights and their country. A young man who constantly celebrates other people's achievements. A man of high integrity. A fearless young man who has declared his interest to run for President of Nigeria 2023 and will be only 41 years of age by then. Indeed, a shining example to the youth. Are they giving me my accolades? No. Are they discussing my contribution to building a better society? No. Are they supporting my presidential ambition? No. They are busy discussing my private life, which is not their business. But I'm not surprised. That has always been one of our major problems in Nigeria. always ignoring relevant issues and focusing on frivolities. People who have never acknowledged my contributions to nation building are quick to discuss my private life, all in a bid to bring me down. Well, sorry to disappoint you. You can't bring me down. God lifted me, designed and equipped me for a divine purpose on earth. Like King David, I'm a man after God's heart. So while you're busy discussing my private life, please, can you also use some percentage of that time to support my 2023 presidential ambition? Together we stand. Together we can save our country. Thank you and may God bless you all. Hey, my people, end of the quote. My people, wetin una think about this matter? As in, wetin dey play? Wetin dis thing wey Yul Edochie come tell us now? As in, wetin talk? Wetin una fit move for insight? I look the matter, I reason am, I take read am. He no take deny the allegations. He no take accept the allegation. He just come talk say people dey mind in private life. My people, wetin dis one mean? Na question wey e dey for a lot of people head, like wetin dey play. True this thing this man do am, if at all e take do am, na be say e no consider im children and im wife na, my people, because that one na question wey e dey for everybody head. A lot of people come dey cry for the wife, say, oh my God, can this man truly do this kind thing? And the kind way e can't talk, he no say na lie. So if they take on the look inside the matter, my people, then go see e dey like say na true. Hey, my people, me see the matter, ask but what is happening now? E dey like na true, e dey like na lie. You no come clearly come tell us say yes so wetin una dey talk na true o, yes so wetin una dey talk na thing wey happen, or no wetin una dey talk no be true or no be thing wey take happen. My people, that na wetin wey we dey expect. We no want make you come use big grammar take destroy our head, because e talk say all wetin dey take do for take fight this nation, make e take grow, for take fight for the youth, for talk say he wan become president for 2023. The youth no dey follow see am like that. Then he said they no dey take give am accolades, they no dey take clap for am, say wetin he do na good job. My people, they only sabi for the carry in private life for outside. Say but wetin dey beg na say among the percentages wey dey take the carry talk in private life, make we take carry talk about wetin he don do for the country and wetin he still get to do, and make we take support am for 2023 presidential elections wey dey come. My people, I no know wetin una think about this matter. Make una write for comment section wetin una think, make we dive for the next one sharpish. My people, the next matter wey we go talk insight na about the matter for this comedian, Mr. Jollof, wey don come give am bomber to im colleague wife, that is Julius Agu's wife, after she don post few hours after Sultan's death. My people, make we read the post. If you never checked up on them or reached out while they were sick, you have no right posting them in death. If you have never celebrated them in any of their milestones openly, you have no right doing that openly in death. My people, make we read wetin Mr. Jollof tell am. Auntie, respect your husband by keeping quiet, because if we tell you what, you go deactivate your handle 2 minutes. Hey, my people, I see the matter, my chest shake. Say this table where they take talk, what it mean? As it makes she stay quiet, my people. But true, make we take celebrate people when they are alive. Yes, because when they pass on like this, we no suppose calm now for dead. Can't they talk all way to do? We no know what they happen. Just few hours wey Sultan take die. Now in matter wey people they carry up for their head like how markets, like they no go leave this our celebrity, so make in Lego in peace. My people, what una think about the matter? I say make I bring am, so I go stop this video for here. But before anything, my people, make you write for comment section what do you think about this matter. Leave your comments. So yes, you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. I go see you on my next video. As